This one has its own call button for some reason.
Peterson's spa, it's my spa.
The mall?
This one? Yes. That spa's amazing.
No, thank you.
There's not, I mean, I like to go to the one in Palo Alto, I'll take you.
I don't know.
It's got a lot of course.
I don't leave the city.
You go for that?
Go ahead.
Thank you.
Yep.
I don't know.
Go for that spa.
What a fucking room. They're about to make out. Wow, look at this nice view.
You can't even tell that these have frosted glass.
Behind to see. Yeah, that's stupid. They're probably getting too hot.
Oh god, it smells like smoke now.
It smells like popcorn.
Go stand over there and tell me it smells like popcorn.
Mmm, yummy. So,
You want to get... So there's an internal one. So these two go to Bloomingdale's and serve all Bloomingdale's floors. Those two, and then this whole side just go up to Century Theater.
let's get another one of these then.
Did you send that one up?
No. Innovation bar buttons. Look at the S and the 5 are very
Adam pointed the exact same thing out.
Well, we are both elevator enthusiasts. So.
Yeah, it's weird because they replaced the buttons on these ones, but the Bloomingdale's ones don't have the buttons replaced.
I like these buttons.
Yeah, innovation for you. No, it's universal.
Wow, listen to those belts. Nice calves.
You want to write a Bloomingdale's one now?
In a separate video. There it goes, and that would be it.